In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can gift V-Bucks here in Fortnite, whether you're on PC, PS5, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, or even mobile. It really is a super simple method, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you go ahead and go into the item shop, for example, you'll see a ton of different things that you can go ahead and buy, and there is a lot in here now. If you click on any cosmetic, for example, this guy right here, you'll notice a gift option down at the very bottom, but here's the important part. You can't actually directly gift V-Bucks here in Fortnite. If you actually back out of this section and go specifically to the V-Bucks tab, you'll notice that there's no gifting option at all. Fortnite only allows gifting items, not V-Bucks themselves. So how do you gift V-Bucks? The best and only legitimate way is to buy an official Fortnite or Epic Games gift card, since these work across all platforms. If you go to one, just go to like a trusted store like Amazon, Walmart, Target, GameStop, or your region's equivalent, and just go ahead and search for Fortnite V-Bucks gift card or Epic Games gift card, and you'll be able to choose the exact amount you want, such as $10, $25, $50, $75, etc. After buying the card, simply give the code to the person that you want to gift, and they can redeem it on their Epic Games account, which we have a full video breaking down, so I recommend checking that out if they are having any issues. And the V-Bucks, essentially, after they redeem it, will be added so that they can buy whatever they want in the item shop. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.